kind of bit I'm using. Hey, just a quick tip real quick on what kind of bit I'm using to hang sheetrock. I'm using that lightweight sheetrock 1/2 inch. They had it on sale, and yeah, it's been really stupid high, but I got it for $8 and something cheap today. So anyway, I want to tell you what I'm using. This is the bit I'm using. I hope it focuses. But this little bit, what it does is it stops you from going too far into the sheetrock paper and keeps you from, from breaking the paper. And pretty neat little tip. And this is what kind of screws I'm using, drywall screws for the 1/2 inch sheetrock. Okay, and this is, I'm gonna show you what they look like. All right, that's what they look like right there. They do an excellent job, okay? And it actually comes with a bit, and this is a PR2 bit that it comes with, even though I won't use it. I actually ordered a set of new bits on Amazon. They're supposed to be in today. I'll show them to you when they get here. I hope they're as nice as what I think they're gonna be. They got a magnet on them, and I think I got a whole set of them for like $9 or something. And but anyway, because these will eventually wear out on you. So anyway, that's just a quick tip of what kind of screws that I'm using to hang 1/2 inch sheetrock. So anyway, and let me show you real quick of how they look. Okay, we'll even drill one in real quick. Get one out of the. All right. See right here how they make that indentation. Okay, right here how they make that indentation, and that's hard to use one hand. But we'll try. All right. There we go. There we go. Talent, my friend, talent. See? Perfect. Absolutely perfection. That's it. Quick tip. Thank you. Keep watching. Appreciate you. And I'll see you on my next adventure. River Jumper out. And God bless. See you.